Hello Year 3. This is our last chance for our maths tutorial this term. We're in week 7 already. I don't know how that happened, but it has. We're into our final week of term. So this is my last maths tutorial. This week you will be looking at statistics. In particular, we will be looking at data that you can read and interpret from bar charts and also pictograms. So we have done this before, we've done this before in class, and so it's really just a refresher. I'm going to remind you of how we can read information from a bar chart and pictogram, and I will also hopefully remind you of some of the vocabulary that you are going to come across in relation to it. Okay, here we go. Okay, let's take a look at the pictograms first. So I've got here a really nice one actually. This is based on animals, this is based on class pets. So the first thing we need to do is to understand what the information is showing us. So the first thing you would look at with something like this would be to look at the key. And you can see that we have that information here. We've got the different types of animals, and we're being shown that one picture is worth two votes, or 2 children have chosen this type of animal. So this must be a pictogram showing us favourite class pets, or the class pets that most children own. So let's take a look and see what else we can find out. If we look actually at the pictogram, we can see that we've got each one of those animals here in a bar, looking like a bar chart almost, but it's made up of pictures. So here, for the dog, I've got 3 of them. Now, we've just been told that one dog, it represents 2 children. So every dog we see, that's 2 children who have a dog. So can you see what the total amount of children is that have dogs? 2, 4, 6. So I can see that 6 children would say that they have a dog as a pet. What about the cat? This one's a little bit different. You can see that we've got a picture of a cat, 1, 2, 3, 4 of them, but we've got half. So this is the bit that you need to think about. Why would we only have half a picture, and what does it mean for us? So if we go back to our key, we can see that a full picture of a cat, so one cat again is 2 children. So if we've only got half a cat, can you see that that means that that represents 1 child? So you should be looking at this the same as I am and counting up then that we have 2, 4, 6, 8, and then one more here makes 9. So 9 children would say that they have a cat as a pet. Have a look at the fish. How many children say that they have a fish as a pet? Did you get the answer? 3. Excellent if you did, because you can see that we've got a full picture representing 2 children and then half a fish. Okay, pretty straightforward, isn't it? We've got a nice amount here. So one picture represents 2 children, but sometimes you might have a picture representing 5 or representing 10 children. So it's really important to look at the information in the key that you're given. Let's ask you some questions. See if you can work out them. Which is the most common pet? I'm using the word common. So this is a vocabulary that you would come across. It means which one do most children have? Can you see? Did you get the cat? Hopefully you did. You can actually see that it's a cat because you can see that there are more pictures of a cat, but you could also prove it by saying, well, I know that there are 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 children that go for the cat. So quite an easy question and easy to get your answer. What about if I say to you, how many more rabbits than hamsters are there? That means you need to do a little bit of maths here. So as well as looking at the pictures, you can see that we've got 2, 4, 6, 7 rabbits. We've got 2, 4 children for the hamster. So this is where we need to work out the difference. How many more rabbits than hamsters? The answer would be Well, if there's 7 rabbits and 4 hamsters, 7 take away 4 means that we have a difference of 3. The answer would be 3. Let's ask one more. How many fewer dogs than cats are there? Take a moment to look. How many fewer? That means less. How many less dogs than cats are there? So you can see that there are fewer dogs than cats. How many? We've got 2, 4, 6 dogs, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 cats. So 9 subtract the 6 dogs, or 9 take away the 6, leaves us with the answer of 3. Okay, nice and easy. Let's move on now to the bar graphs. Okay, here we have the same information. So it's the same set of data, but we've represented it differently. This time, it's been represented as a bar chart. You can still see the same labels. We've got pets along the bottom, dog, cat, fish, rabbit, and hamster. And then going up the scale here, telling us how many children say that they have these animals as pets. So let's ask some more questions and see how we can use a bar chart to answer them. A quick reminder for you, we look to see where the bar chart ends and then move across and look on the scale or on the axis here. So for example, the dog here in green shows us that it reaches 6 on the scale. That's 6 children voted for a dog or said they had a dog as a pet. So let me ask you some questions. Can you see from the bar chart how many children have fish as a pet? So fish is the blue one here. And you can see it doesn't actually go all the way up to the next line. So what's happening? What do we do? Well, we can see it goes halfway between this line and this line. So if we take it along to our scale here, we can see that halfway between 2 and 4 means that it must be 3. Okay, so 3 children say they have fish as a pet. Let's ask something a little bit different. How many more cats than hamsters are there? So you need to look at both. First of all, how many cats are there? Here we are. Can you see that there are 9 cats? How many hamsters? Well, this goes up to the second line, which means we have 4 hamsters. So we've got 9 cats, 4 hamsters, 9 take away 4. So to find the difference, how many more cats are there than hamsters? 9 take away 4 gives us 5. So there are 5 more cats than hamsters shown on this bar chart. You could probably think of some of your own questions. If you do, try to use words like more than, fewer than, what is the most common, what is the least common. These are the sorts of words that you're going to come across this week. Okay, I hope that makes sense for you. Okay, year 3, I hope you found that useful, and you will start looking at statistics on Wednesday. So Wednesday and Thursday, those are the days you'll be working on it. So good luck with it all. Enjoy your summer holiday and take care of yourselves, everybody. And from the year 3 team, we just cannot wait to see everybody back in September, and we will make a real point of coming over to see you in year 4. Good luck, everyone. Bye-bye.